I'm from Gujarat, India, and I've been a developer since 10 years now, and I'm primarily working in the domain of machine learning. When I started my journey, lack of belief in machine learning was one of the main challenges because the technology itself is not very explainable in nature. However, today I'm glad that academic as well as the developer community has come a long way. Currently, I'm leading all the machine learning initiatives at Haptic. Haptic is a conversational AI platform, and my goal is to build a technology which can power trustworthy and fruitful conversations using AI. So, one of the critical problems during COVID was the spread of misinformation. The team at Haptic, Government of India, and WhatsApp came together to build a official COVID helpline on WhatsApp. So it was a virtual agent which would answer queries, and the information was very reliable and curated by the official sources in Government of India. You can simply send a message and book a vaccination appointment or download your vaccination certificate without having to access any other website or an application. We have seen over 100 million queries answered. We've also seen more than 10 million people downloaded their vaccination certificates, and most importantly, more than 1 million people actually booked their vaccination appointments using this particular helpline. Google Developer Experts is the forum of highly specialized individuals in their respective domains who are also motivated to help each other and help the community. So it makes decision making around technology very easy for me. If you are passionate about a specific technology and you find satisfaction in sharing it with other developers across the globe and you look forward to learning from them, then GD is the right program for you. I am Krupal Modi, and I am a Google Developer Expert.